Hello everyone, my name is Rajat Majumdar. I am from Department of Economics, Shahjalal University of Science and Technology, Sylhet. Today, I will be discussing the foundations of qualitative research, focusing on two key paradigms, interpretivism and critical theory. I am excited to explore these paradigms with you. So, let's get started. In research, paradigms refers to a set of beliefs and theoretical frameworks that guide how we conduct studies. It influences how we view reality and how we collect and analyze data. Broadly, research paradigms can be divided into positivism and qualitative paradigms like interpretivism and critical theory. Positivism relies on empirical data and deductive reasoning, assuming that reality is objective and measurable. On the other hand, interpretivism and critical theory emphasizes subjectively, meaning that reality is shaped by human perception and social context. Choosing the right paradigms is crucial because it shapes how we design our research and interpret results. So, in this slide, we can see the methodologies in interpretive result. The interpretive paradigms uses various qualitative methodologies to explore human experiences. 1. Naturalistic inquiry, observing people in their natural environments without interfering. 2. Phenomenology, studying people's conscious experiences to understand their perceptions. 3. Constructivism suggests that knowledge is built through personal experiences. Ethnography, immersing in a community to understand its culture and behaviors. And finally, symbolic interactionism, analyzing how people give meaning to their actions and interactions. All these methods focuses on deep, rich description rather than numerical data. Here we will see data collections methods in interpretivism. To gather insights in interpretive research, we use qualitative methods such as surveys, interviews, field observations, witness accounts, and focus group discussion. If we see in surveys, which is asking open-ended questions to understand opinion, interviews can be described as conducting detailed discussion to get in-depth responses, field observation, watching behaviors in real-life settings, witness accounts, documenting personal testimonies, focus group discussion can be defined as encouraging group conversation to capture different perspectives. These methods help researchers gain a holistic understanding of a topic by incorporating multiple viewpoints. Interpretive research follows a strategy called abduction, which starts with understanding how people interpret situations. Imagine a wave at the beach. A surfer sees it as an opportunity. A mother sees it as a danger. A monk sees it as a symbol of impermanence. A scientist sees it as a natural phenomenon. This example shows how the same event can be different meaning. In research, we collect multiple perspectives, analyzing patterns, and refine our understanding over time, usually through long-term observation and reflection. Interpretive research follows three key principles. 1. Multiple realities exist. People experience the world differently based on their backgrounds. 2. The researchers influences the research. There is always some level of subjectivity. 3. theories emerge from data. Instead of testing a predefined theory, researchers let the data shape their conclusions. These principles ensure that research reflects human experiences as accurately as possible. Here's a comparison between post-positivism and interpretivism. Post-positivism believes in a single reality independent of human prediction. Interpretivism sees reality as socially constructed through experiences. Post-positivism aims to find universal truths using the scientific methods. On the other hand, interpretivism aims to understand human experiences in context. This distinction helps researchers select appropriate methods for their studies. Now, let's shift to critical theory, which is focused on power structures and social justice. It argues that reality is shaped by social, political, and economic forces. It draws inspiration from Marxism and the Frankfurt School, including scholars like Marcus Adorno and Horkheimer. Ontologically, reality exists but interpreted differently over time. Epistemologically, knowledge is shaped by interactions between the researchers and society. This paradigm is often used to analyze oppression, power imbalance, and social injustice. The goal of critical theory research is to challenge injustice and inequality by identifying how power structure controls society, examining discrimination and marginalization, advocating for social transformation. This research is applied in fields like economics, sociology, political science, and education, aiming for meaningful change. Critical theory research uses activist methodologies, including ideology critique, exposing hidden power structure in society, action research, conducting research while engaging in social activism, methods like observation, interviews, and dialogic reflection, challenging dominant assumptions. These approaches help researchers identify and address social inequalities. Critical theory follows a strategy called retroduction. It starts with hypotheses about social structures. Researchers analyze dominant narratives through reflections and conversation. The goal is to raise awareness and drive social change by challenging this power structure. In critical theory research, we focus on understanding ideologically distorted situations where people accept injustice and normal. 2. Exploring power imbalance, how economic and political forces shape society. 3. Empowering oppressed group, proposing real solution for social justice. In summary, interpretivism helps us understand human experiences and social realities. Critical theory challenges power structures and advocates for change. Both paradigms shape qualitative research and influence how we analyze the world around us. Thank you for your time. I hope this session helped clarify interpretivism and critical theory.